how to link PlayStation Network to Epic Games. Now, the first thing that you'll have to do is you'll have to do it on a browser because you wouldn't be able to do it on an Epic Games launcher. And from here, just simply access your preferred web browser, go to your search box, and then just type in epicgames.com. Then once that is successful, you will now then be routed to this page, which is going to be the epicgames.com's official website. And make sure that once you're here, you are already logged in to your account. Or if you are not yet logged in, make sure that you're already logged in. Now, once that is successful as well, just go to your profile and then go to account. Now, from account, if your Epic Games has already been updated, there will be here an option that says connections. But as of 2024, they have updated it and changed it. So instead of connections, you'll now then be see, or you'll have to find the option that says apps and accounts. Just simply choose that. From here, this is going to be the apps or platforms that you can connect your Epic Games with to, for example, Steam, GitHub, Twitch, Xbox, and so on and so forth. So since we are trying to connect PlayStation Network or PSN, just simply press on connect. Now you'll just have to follow through that process, and then once that is successful, you will now be connected with your um, PlayStation Network to the Epic Games.